Well, here I am making a barbecue pork ribs, and first I put it in the crock pot for a good couple hours with some carrots, and I put some seasoning on the ribs, and then put barbecue sauce, took them out of the crock pot, put barbecue sauce all over them, and put them in the toaster oven for about 15 minutes. Ellie, you gotta move, it's gonna be hot, look.
Oh.
See?
Hello people. How you doing? How you doing?
Okay, well, I extended the time at least once, just to give it an extra couple minutes
Who are you talking to, Mom?
cook. So I'm going to see what it looks like. Back up, honey. It's going to be very hot.
Who are you talking to?
Okay, so I'm going to get my
Ooh.
handy handkerchief. Back up. It's hot, Ellie. No, no, no.
Sorry.
Back up.
Hello, baby.
Back up. It's hot.
You can see my hand waving. Can you, friends? Yeah, you can. This is my mom.
Looks nice and hot.
That's my mom,
Nice and
and
soft. Back
my
up, honey.
dad is in a bedroom watching his little shows. And I'm Dada. And we on camera. So this is me. 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 Me. Yay!
And I successfully got the ribs
And
out.
it smells really good.
Smells really good. It looks really good.
Who are you talking to?
And we're
Yeah.
gonna eat it.
But it's not me.
Well, Mommy and Daddy are.
Who are you talking to?